Alright, how's it going, you guys? Today we're going to be looking at the version 2 of the crafting and inventory system for plyGame. So, just a basic rundown of the demo here. Pretty much what we're going to be working with is the inventory and the crafting right now, and then I'll show you guys how the building and everything works with the blocks a little bit later, okay? So for the inventory, basically what we have is our categories that we can select, and inside those categories we have our items. So pretty much for this approach, it's not like a standard, if there's an item on the ground, and then we click it, it'll be populated in the bag. All these things are already preset in here, and then all that happens is that the values will get updated. So if we go ahead and walk over here, to the pile of tree or dirt here, whatever this is. If we go ahead and click, you can see here the wood is 5, and we harvest, the tree here. You can see that the wood now gets set to 7, and then that gets added to the inventory. So this is a very simple approach. Maybe later on down the line I could add another update to where it'll instance, the items as you pick them up. So it can be a little bit more modular, but this is what we're going with now. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So that's the inventory. For the crafting here, it's pretty much the same thing. We can set up everything by category, and all you have to do is click it, and then it'll get populated with all your ingredients, and there's also a cooldown timer. So if we craft it, all the values will get set, and then these also obviously reflect the things that you have in your inventory. So if we go and check our elderberry in our inventory, we'll see that we only have 1. And then if we craft another potion, and then we just wait for the cooldown timer to go, we can see that now we have none. So that's pretty simple. As you can see here, everything will get populated to this item's specifications that it needs. So that's pretty much the inventory and the crafting in a nutshell. And then for the building, it's a very simple approach. We pretty much have a building menu right here. So if we click the option, okay, we're able to build. This is a little bug. I don't know what this is. When it gets in front of the camera, I'll work on that. But pretty much what we have right now is a simple system. All it does is rate cast to the current mouse position, and it will allow you to place things. So pretty much when we scroll the mouse wheel here, we can rotate it. If we press E, it'll place it, and then as you can see in the window here, let me make sure. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see in the window here, it'll show you. So it's from this debug down. So when we clicked the item, it let us know that we were in placement mode, and when we pressed E, it let us know if we were placed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then so for the gathering here, we already showed you the trees, but we'll go ahead with the dirt here, and you'll see that we had dug the plant, the job was finished, and it lets us know our current seed amount that's in our inventory. Same thing for this, some gold ore. It lets us know that we're mining the ore, and it lets us know that we have the ore amount, and it lets us know the job was finished. So I have this under collapse, so it doesn't post more, it will just collapse it in there. But if, let's say we were trying to mine the ore, and the tree was next to it, and we were already mining the ore, but we clicked on the tree, it'll post a debug saying, we can't do that, we're already working on something, and then once that's done, then we can go ahead and craft that. What other things get posted? Oh, if we don't have enough materials, so for the wood here, we only have 2 wood, and the fence costs 5. If we click the fence here, it'll say failure, you need more materials to make this. So it'll already detect this for you, so you don't have to run through anything else. So that's pretty much it.